y'all, thanks for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy Crockpot White Chicken Chili. If you're interested in learning how to make this, then stay tuned. If you want to make this easy recipe, then here are the items that you're going to need for the Crockpot White Chicken Chili. It's a pretty inexpensive meal, it's super easy. So you're going to need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 cans of Great Northern beans. You will need chicken broth or chicken stock, 1 can of whole kernel corn, 2 cans of diced green chilies, half and half, cream cheese. For your spices, you'll need cumin, oregano, chili powder, cayenne pepper. You will also need garlic, yellow onion, salt and pepper, and then I forgot a picture that you need cilantro in your toppings as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting up a small onion into pretty small pieces. I apologize that in this video my cutting board is sliding everywhere. I know that if I put a towel underneath it won't slide everywhere, but I didn't in this video, so I'm sorry about that. After you've chopped your onion, you're going to take 2 garlic cloves and chop those up as well. Once you're done chopping your onion and garlic, take your chicken breast, place them in your crock pot, and then go and wash your hands. Now we're going to start adding our spices, and here I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now you're going to take your 2 cans of diced green chilies and place those in the crock pot. Once you've gotten your toddler off the countertops, you're going to place your onion and garlic in the crock pot. Next, you will be taking your drained whole kernel corn and pouring that in the crock pot, and your 2 cans of Great Northern beans. Pour that in the crock pot as well and top it with some cilantro. Now you're going to pour in your 24 ounces of chicken broth. Give it a good stir and cover and cook on low for 8 hours. After your chili has been cooking for about 8 hours, you're going to remove the 2 chicken breasts from the crock pot, place it in a bowl, and shred it up with 2 forks. After you've shredded up all your chicken, take it and place it back into your crock pot. Now it's time to make our chili creamy, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of half and half and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Once you've given it a good stir, cover it and cook it on low for 15 more minutes so your cream cheese can melt into the chili. Alright y'all, our chili is all done cooking. We're going to take the lid off, give it a good stir, and get ready to eat. Just FYI, your cream cheese will not melt 100%, so throughout your chili you may have little bits of cream cheese, and that's okay. That makes it super delicious. For the toppings, I grated up some Monterey Jack cheese, I sliced some limes, avocado, and fresh jalapenos. Then I washed and placed some fresh cilantro on the dish as well. You can also add tortilla chips and sour cream. For my bowl of chili, I added every single topping except sour cream and tortilla strips. Y'all, the soup was divine and my family absolutely loved it. I encourage you to make it for your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.